Hey guys, it's Kat and
Me,
from Jazz Cat,
the Jazzy Cat.
but it's Jazz Cat.
Jazzy Cat. Whatever.
And we probably look kind of bad, but we're really lazy and we've done nothing all day except for watch Lilo and Stitch stuff and practice this thing we're gonna do today. So we're still in our PJs. And Jasmine will be drawing on her hand the entire time, and I'll be playing with this pen the entire time.
What the fuck?
And so yeah, so today we're going to be singing a mashup of Payphone by Maroon 5 and Ask Back Home by Gym Class Heroes. And so at the very end there's going to be a harmony, whereas throughout the entire song there's not going to be, just because we're weird. And it does have a piano accompaniment thing, but we don't want to go out to where our piano is and play it, because that's a lot of effort. So yeah, here goes nothing. I'm sorry if we fail. So we've only done this like 5 times. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
And I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back home.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? All the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.
It's like my life's on repeat, and the last time we spoke told you it wouldn't be long, and that was last November. Now December's almost gone, and I'd apologize, but I don't realize what I'm doing wrong.
And I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where has the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
And I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back home.
If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this.
And let 'em talk, let 'em talk, let 'em talk, if they don't hear what we're saying.
All those fairy tales are full of shit.
Let 'em walk, let 'em walk, let 'em walk, we'll just drop by and keep on waving.
One more fucking love song and I'll be sick.
And I don't know where you're going or when you're coming. I left the keys under the mat of the front door for one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. Just get your ass back home. And I'm at a payphone.
Yeah, so that was the fancy mashup that Jasmine wrote, because she's a show-off. So yeah, also, both of us have personal channels, and Jasmine has more on hers than I do, but
Would not
that's okay.
suggest looking at my channel. I have some weird videos.
Oh well, you can look at her channel if you want. She's one of our subscribers. Not that any of you really watch us. Actually, there's another random person who subscribed to us.
Random people!
Enjoy you, Nate Roy 33, whoever you may be. And so yeah, we will be posting this video now, and we will think of another song to cover in the meantime, and do that today too. And then we'll try our best to do one every week, but I highly doubt that's gonna happen.
Because we both have lives, and they're not YouTube lives. Like
And
other
my
people.
life involves doing the same exact thing every day.
So does mine. It's fantastic.
It is.
School,
So,
homework, school, homework, school, homework, weekend. Done.
school, Netflix.
That was probably not right.
It wasn't.
Whatever.
School, Netflix, sleep. And by Netflix, I mean not here and the same day and same day and same day and same day. And then on the weekends, Netflix, church, sleep, church, movie at somewhere, or recently sometimes senior pictures because I'm a senior. Thank God high school is almost over. Anyway, we're going to end this now.
This
So,
is getting awkward.
goodbye
Goodbye.
with our jazz hands.
Mine are decorated.
Whatever.
They're both